times and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright.
Hello guys, and welcome back again to another recipe video. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you this quick and easy pan fried potato recipe. So guys, apart from mashed potato, I would say this is our favorite way of enjoying our potato. So I'm also going to be pairing it with egg sauce, but you can decide to eat it with anything you want. I'm going to start by cutting some tomatoes and some onions, so I'm going to be using this for my egg sauce. So I'm going to be cooking the potatoes a little bit. I just cut it into smaller size, added water and some salt. So I'm going to be cooling it down with some cold water. So right now I'm cutting up some Scotch bonnet pepper.
Been trying hard not to go out of my mind, and all I need right now is for you to.
I just transferred the potato into the pan, so I'm going to be adding some coconut oil. Trust me, you don't want to skip this part because that coconut oil just take your potato to another level. I'll go ahead and add some parsley. Yeah, you can use fresh one if you have. So I'm just going to keep on stirring to avoid our potato getting burned. So for our egg sauce, I'm going to be adding some oil to my pan, some onions and Scotch bonnet pepper. And then add the tomatoes. So I'm going to be adding one seasoning cube and then salt to taste. So it's time to check on our potatoes. Just take a look at that, guys. So lastly, I'm going to be adding the egg inside the sauce, and voila, everything is good as ready. So I'm going to keep on stirring the egg until it's done. At this stage, our lunch or dinner is ready. Take a look at that, guys. Take a look at that yumminess. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and please subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for watching. Bye.